Hello everyone, today in this video I will tell you the top 5 most expensive smartphones in the world that will surely surprise you. You are watching video on Top 5 Tech channel. This channel will give you anything about tech zone. Now let's get started. Number 5. iPhone 3G King's Button. The 5th most expensive phone in the world is the iPhone 3G King's Button, coming in at a whopping $2.5 million. The phone was designed by Austrian designer Peter Ellison and is made up of 18-karat yellow, white and rose gold. The white gold strip, which runs around the entire edge of the phone, is decorated with 138 diamonds. Perhaps the most significant and extravagant feature of the iPhone is the 6.6-carat single-cut diamond that's been used to replace the iPhone's original home button. The phone is considered to be one of the most beautiful phones in the market and very popular with phone fanatics. Number 4. Goldstriker iPhone 3GS Supreme. Similar to the 3G King's Button, the Goldstriker 3GS Supreme has many of the same features but includes more carats, and the price of this phone is $3.2 million. The phone is another successful creation from Stuart Hughes and is made from 271 grams of 22-karat gold. The bezel of the iPhone contains 136 diamonds, and the Apple logo on the rear of the phone is studded with 53 diamonds. Now, similar to the King's Button, the Goldstriker also has a single-cut diamond for a home button, but this one is a whopping 7.1 carats. When you purchase a Goldstriker iPhone 3GS Supreme, you'll be given a solid granite box made from one single piece of granite, embellished with top-grain leather and cashmere gold. Number 3. Stuart Hughes iPhone 4 Diamond Rose Edition. Coming in at number 3 is yet another iPhone design collaboration from Stuart Hughes. This iPhone 4 Diamond Rose Edition is the 3rd most expensive phone in the world. To keep it exclusive, only 2 phones have been manufactured to date, each one was completely customized for their owners. The phone is made from solid rose gold and includes 500 100-carat diamonds, and the Apple logo is decorated with 53 diamonds. Like the previous 2 phones on our list, the home button is made from a single-cut pink diamond of 7.4 carats. If you're into your packaging, then you'll be pleased to know that $8 million will also get you a solid granite presentation box. Number 2. Stuart Hughes iPhone 4's Elite Gold. Continuing his dominance in the luxury phone market and making yet another one of the world's most expensive phones, Stuart Hughes' next iPhone is worth a staggering $9.4 million. Being the 2nd most expensive phone in the world comes with a lot of expectations. With that said, the Elite Gold iPhone 4 certainly doesn't disappoint. The handmade phone is coated with 500 100-carat diamonds, and its rear panel and logo are made from 24-karat gold. The logo also contains 53 diamonds to give it that extra wow factor, and the home button is made from an 8.6-carat single-cut diamond. If you were to lose or misplace that 8.6-carat single-cut diamond, then you'll be happy to know that your $9.4 million investment also gets you an additional 7.6-carat single-cut diamond as a backup. Now, to top it off, the phone comes in one hell of a box. In actual fact, it's more of a chest. It's made from solid platinum with actual polished pieces of original T-Rex dinosaur bone. Number 1. Falcon Supernova iPhone 6 Pink Diamond. The world's most expensive phone is the Falcon Supernova iPhone 6 Pink Diamond Edition, costing an unbelievable $48.5 million. The Falcon Supernova is a customized iPhone 6 introduced in 2004 that's covered in 24-karat gold and decorated with one massive pink diamond on its rear. It's also coated in platinum and features hack prevention technology to keep the owner's information safe from unwanted prying eyes. The pink diamond Falcon Supernova is the prized possession of Asia's richest man's wife and Indian cricket team owner, Nita Ambani. It's not the nicest looking phone on the list but it's still the most expensive phone in the world. I hope you enjoyed this video. And how do you think, do you buy one of these phone?